बंगाल की पुण्य धरती से ममता बनर्जी की भ्रष्टतम, लोकतंत्र विरोधी और तानाशाही सरकार को हम उखाड़ कर फेंक देंगे, यही हमारा संकल्प है। The same as the situation in Kerala. Friends, just think about it. Today, either Poonamji or I, or all of us, or the 303 MPs in the Lok Sabha, all of us have been elected on the symbol of the Kamal. To save the Kamal symbol, to stand for the same values that we believe in. Karyakartas in Kerala are giving their life and fighting. We hear stories of a Karyakarta being assaulted, murdered every other day in the newspaper. My blood boils when I read the story of a Karyakarta being burned, being killed. We cannot let this pass. All our Karyakartas in Kerala are fighting a two-pronged challenge. The battle against communism and the battle against radical Islamism. We must stand by them. It is our duty. This is a party which has taught us the samskar of nation first. And we know that this is not going to be an easy battle. The battle in West Bengal and the battle in Kerala is not going to be an easy battle. But when have things been ever easy for the Bharatiya Janata Party? When have things been ever easy for the Bharatiya Janata Party? Each step has been achieved only through Sangharsh. Sangharsh हमारा पहचान है. And our great Atalji had shown us the direction and had warned us how to go forward and tackle these challenges. He had guided all of us. कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. हास्य रुदन में तूफानों में, अमर असंख्यक बलिदानों में, उद्यानों में, वीरानों में, अपमानों में, सम्मानों में, उन्नत मस्तक उभरा सीना, पीड़ाओं में पलना होगा, पीड़ाओं में पलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. This is the samskar that our leaders have given. We will continue in that path. Friends, in the coming days, we will continue the great traditions that Poonamji has set, because under her leadership, the Yuva Morcha initiated a lot of seva activities, a lot of intellectual activities. Under her leadership, new projects, new innovation, new innovative schemes, new innovative programs were launched. For the BJP, the politics is not a game of musical chairs. It is a commitment to the service of the country. Our Prime Minister has given the clarion call of Seva Hi Sanghatan. We will take that forward. And each and every day, Seva of the poorest of the poor, the weakest of the weak, ensuring that the schemes of the central government, the schemes of the Honorable Prime Minister will reach the neediest, will reach the poorest. That will be a very, very important aspect of the next 3 years. Finally, my dear friends, I just want all of us to think about this very important challenge that our generation of political activists will have to face. All of us are entering into a new era of politics, a new era of governance, new era of social changes. The politics in the 21st century will be very different from what the politics of the 19th century and the 20th century was. because the challenges of the 21st century are very different. Therefore, the biggest responsibility that lies before all of us is to build the 21st century political karyakartas for the country. This will be a very, very big responsibility of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Yuva Morcha. Today we began our journey by taking the blessings of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. It is our commitment that through the Yuva Morcha platform, we will encourage, we will groom, we will support the strongest of leaders who will take the country forward, coming from the weakest of the backgrounds. This will be our commitment. Friends, our party has the distinction of being founded by such great women as Rajmate Vijay Raje Scindia ji. I request every young activist of the Bharatiya Janata Party to read about her, read her life, read her contribution, dedication, sacrifice for the party. It is our commitment that at every level of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Yuva Morcha and the Indian polity in general, we will ensure and encourage more and more women participation, young women participation, so that we will continue the tradition of Rajmate Vijay Raje. Friends, I have mentioned this earlier as well. In other political parties, youth of today are leaders of tomorrow. They keep saying this slogan because they don't want them to join the party or ask for ticket in elections. But in the Bharatiya Janata Party, youth of today are leaders of today. That is the difference in the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Yuva Morcha, as the Yuva Morcha Adhyaksha, and with the collective strength of all of you, we will strive to get more and more Yuva Morcha Karyakartas opportunities to contest in elections. And starting from the Yuva Morcha central team in Delhi, the entire organization will stand and strive to ensure that every Yuva Morcha Karyakarta who contests in an election will win the election. This is our commitment and responsibility. Friends, with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, quantum computing, society is changing. Challenges of the future, both for society as well as general polity, are going to be different. Jobs of the future, family structures of the future are going to be very different. We need to envision and create and groom and train Karyakartas who can give political, intellectual, social and spiritual leadership for the 21st century India, which is going to be influenced by these emerging technologies. Friends, the other very important challenge before all of us is this. The strength of our party has been its commitment to an ideology. And our party and ideology are not static or stagnant. It evolves according to the change in times. From Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay ji to Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, from Vajpayee ji to Modi ji, Nadda ji, Amit Shah ji, the party's ideological evolution has always been a constant process. Article 370, we had promised, we have completed. Ram Mandir, we have promised, we have completed. But in the coming few generations, the requirement of the party's Karyakartas will also be to take the leadership and give an evolution of our party's ideology. What will be the contours of a modern civilizational state? Can we articulate this? Can we give it a political will? What is going to be the state which will be run on the basis of dharma, on the basis of constitutional dharma? How can we articulate this? These challenges are going to be there before the next few generation of political leaders. And the Bharatiya Janata Party, Yuva Morcha will strive to build those kind of 21st century political leaders for the country. Friends, our Prime Minister today has positioned India at a vantage position where India is looked at by other countries to provide leadership not only for local issues, regional issues, but for global issues. The Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha is the world's largest political youth organization. Our aspirations, our leadership cannot be limited to India alone. The Yuva Morcha will also be the responsible voice of the global youth to tackle the challenges of the world. Be it terrorism, be it climate change, be it new emerging economic orders. Whether it is BRICS, whether it is WTO, whether it is the United Nations, at every important international forum, the Yuva Morcha and its representatives will speak in one voice in a very responsible, reasoned and capable manner for the young of the world. Friends, I want to thank all of you for being a part of this great family. The Bharatiya Janata Party is such a great family that the legacy of the party is something that all of us must wear on our sleeves with pride. We are the BJP. I want every Karyakarta in the country to wear this as a matter of pride, that we are the party with a difference. Friends, when we are in power, one of the biggest challenges that confronts us is that we give in to the challenges, the vices of power. We must today promise, as idealist young Karyakartas of the Bharatiya Janata Party, that we will ensure that the BJP will never become like the Congress party. That is our commitment. We were a party with a difference, we are a party with a difference, and we will remain a party with a difference, with purity of ideology, purity of action, and purity of thought. This is our commitment. We are the BJP. We are the party which has always put nation first. We are the only party in the country which is democratic in letter and spirit. We are the only party in the country where a chaiwala can become the Prime Minister. We are the only party in the country which truly cares for the weakest of the weak and the poorest of the poor. This is the party which in the history of the country has alleviated poverty at a rate faster than any government in the history. This is the only party in the world which believes dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. This is the only party which has given the most successful Prime Minister to the entire country. This is the legacy that all of us have. Let us continue forward that legacy, my dear friends. The strength of this party has been in the Shakti of its Sanghatan. And Sanghatan means the ability to work together. साथियों, हमारे पूर्वजों ने हजारों वर्ष पहले एक साथ कार्य करने का मंत्र हमें सिखाया। सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। हम एक साथ काम करेंगे, साथ में संगठन को और मजबूत ताकतवर बनाएंगे, साथ में विजयी होंगे। इसी आशा के साथ, इसी उम्मीद के साथ आप सबको हृदय से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।